this video I will show you how to make a baby head. I start with a magic ring. I make 2 chains. And then in the ring I will make 10 half double crochets. Yarn over, pull the yarn through, yarn over, I made 10 half double crochets. I pull on the thread and I make a slip stitch in the first stitch. This is the first round. Then I make 2 chains. And this round, in every stitch I make 2 half double crochets. I've made 20 half double crochets. I will close this with the slip stitch in the first stitch. Now for the third I will make 2 chains, and then in the first stitch 1 half double crochet, and in the second stitch 2 half double crochets. And this I will repeat the whole round. 1 and 2. I have finished the third round. I made 30 half double crochets and I will close the ring with a slip stitch. And for the fourth round I make 2 chains. In the first stitch 1 half double crochet, in the second 1, and in the third I make 2. Continue this the whole round. So 1, 1 and 2. I have finished the fourth round. I made 40 stitches and I close it with a slip stitch. Now I make 2 chains, and in the fifth round I make in the first 3 stitches 1 half double crochet, and in the fourth I make 2. So 1, 1, 1, and in the fourth 2. I have finished the fifth round. I closed it with a slip stitch, and now for the sixth I make 2 chains, and now I will an increase in every 10th stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this stitch I make 2. I will continue this every 10th. I will make 2 stitches. I have finished the 6th row. I have now 55 stitches. I will continue the next rounds with 55 stitches, and I will make 6 more rows before I will change the color. I have made 12 rows in pink, and now I will turn to a new color. I will make the slip stitch and turn the new color. So I will make 2 chains, and I will make 3 rows with the gray color. I will make 55 half double crochets. I have made 3 gray rows. Now I will make the last one. I will make 1 chain, and now I will make a single crochet backwards. Pull up the thread, yarn over, pull 2 through, backwards, yarn over, This is how it will look. I have finished my head. And now I am going to make a flower. First make a magic ring. And I make 1 chain. Then I will make 10 single crochet. I have made 10 single crochet, and then I will finish the row with the slip stitch, and I will make 4 chains. And then I will make a triple crochet. And another. So I made 3 triple crochets, and then I will make 4 chains. And I will slip stitch into the next stitch. Now I will make 4 chains and 3 triple crochets. As you can see, I have made 3 triple crochets in 1 chain. Then we'll make 4 chains. And slip stitch into the next stitch. Four chains and 3 triple crochets in the next stitch. Four chains, slip stitch into the next stitch. I will repeat this 2 times. I have finished my flower. Now I will sew it on the head. I'll put a little button on it.